Insert the connecting drill holes and install. Screws. Secure the screws at the connection point. Tighten the screws at the connecting strip. Install the connecting strip and tighten the screws. First, use the tool to loosen it, and then connect and overlap it. Tighten the screws at the connection. Insert the slot tube and screw in the screws. Connect the cassette cover and tighten the screws. Install the motor. Load fabric. Install aluminum strips into the fabric. Install the tail plug and tighten. Screw the aluminum strip off the fabric. Roll up the fabric. Insert the rubber hose into the load-bearing strip. Install the end cover. Tighten the fabric. Install metal seal strip. Insert the seal and secure it with screw. Insert screws into the lower beam for fixation. Install the lower beam seal. Install the cassette cover into the connecting strip and connect it. Install the end cap. Secure with screws. Install the balanced mounting base. Install the end cap. Install the fixing block and fix it with screws. Install the cassette cover. Screw fixation. Install the back cover. Secure fastener cover installation called screw fixation. Install the side rail into the cover shell. Final product testing display.